Hey everyone, Matt Pisarcik from RazorEmporium.com coming at you today for another review video of what can you find at the grocery store in your town. Today we went to Fry's grocery store and picked up $20 of off-the-shelf grocery store quality shaving products, and we're going to give it a little shave and see what you can get if you're just getting started. So let's get started. So far, we've been picking a lot of these metal razors that are back on the market today, like the King C Gillette or the Vanderhagen. But today we're going to go super basic, $20 at the grocery store, 20 bucks for a decent shave. Let's see if we can do it. First thing I'm looking at, right over here. Look at that, $5.49. The Schick Extreme Pivot Ball, and I got a bunch of them. I didn't just one. I got like 3 or 4 of these guys. Yeah, 3 of them. Can't beat that for $6. For my shave product, I was looking down here at some of this Everyman Jack. They got a face lotion and post shave with natural menthol. Sounds pretty good. And for my shave product, I'm debating, I'm going back and forth. Lots of different choices here at the grocery store now. It didn't ever used to be this way. You never had this kind of choice. Grocery store used to just have Barbasol and Williams. Now you got all sorts of things we can pick from. For the shave cream, we're gonna pick out this Dollar Shave Club stuff. Only $7 for this. We got $5.50 for this, and we got $7 for this. I think we should be under budget, even with tax. Let's figure it out. So we spent $22, slightly over budget. But I think we did pretty good here. Damn tax got to us. Okay, I have just wet my beard against every intuition and instinct I have as a wet shaver. I am not going to put a pre-shave on because that's not what I get to do with my $20 challenge. Oh gosh. I am going to knock all this down and I'm going to lather right up with my first product I got at the grocery store. I spent $6.99 on the Dollar Shave Club shave cream. And let's see, it says mix into a lather in your hands first, then apply evenly over wet shavable area. I've got a wet shavable area. If using a shaving brush, lather onto skin using circular motions. Well, I didn't buy a shaving brush with my $20, so I'm going to have to not. But I like that they say you can. I'm guessing I need to first take off this little doodad. Yes. Okay. So we're going to do some of this. It smells nice, I'm not going to lie. I'm mixing it into my hands first. I'm even going to add some water to give it every benefit that we can. Try every trick in the book. I'm going to even use my fingernails to like simulate a little bit of some exfoliation like it was a shaving brush. Kind of work it in with my fingers first. And then kind of go back and smooth things out. I'll even do a little more water. I'm trying, guys. Trying to make it work here. I think it's about as good as it's going to get. Ugh, sorry. I've been doing a couple of these, as you guys know, and it has sent my skin into regression. I'm like back in high school days where I'm getting ingrown hairs and pimples because of this stuff. In fact, I had a nasty ingrown hair over here. Maybe you can see it I yanked out yesterday with a pair of tweezers because of the cartridge razor videos we've been doing. I'm doing it for you guys. This is sacrifice. People think that I got involved with wet shaving to like be fancy or like as a job. Like, no, I was you guys. I was having trouble using these and just found the double edge didn't give me that kind of irritation. So that's where we went. But if you're at the grocery store and you got $20 and maybe airlines lost your luggage and you're in a foreign city, or you just on a budget and you want to try making it happen, you want to try a different way of shaving, that's what we're going to do, guys. That's what we're going to do. All right, the Schick. I've used a bunch of products. I have not used Schick, anything. This is the Extreme 3 Pivot Ball. Look. So I get, for my $6.49, I get three-bladed razors. So do the math on that one, like less than $2 each. Okay. It reminds me of a Mountain Dew can. I think that's the demographic they're going for. It's got the little cover. It's got a ball. Look. Yeah, it does that. Cool. And it does that. Look at that. Yeah, that's got to be good, right? That's good for your skin. That's what your skin wants. A lot of that. All right. Oh, no, it is. Oh my gosh, this is like high school. I went to a high school, like a preppy kind of college prep thing, right? And you had to wear a uniform, and you had to come clean shaven. And if you weren't clean shaven, the dean would hand you a Bic razor and would send you to the bathroom, and you had a dry shave. I'm having flashbacks here because I feel like I'm being punished right now. That I did something wrong. Oh, it's not even close. It's just dragging and pulling. You can see it, the resistance. Now, granted, I do have a couple days of growth. In no way is this representative of a quality double-edged wet shaving experience. I would take any double-edged razor over this. Any of them. I don't care which one. I'm trying to not whine and be a whiny person about this. But the struggle is real. I'm having to do a ton of blade buffing, and then it still is not even remotely close. I'm pushing way harder than I ever have with any other razor. Whatever comfort strips these are, whatever, the Schick technology, none of these balls, none of this matters. And the thing is, guys, I just am going to stop. I'm sorry. I don't usually do this, but I'm not. I am going to, I have a personal thing going on in my life. I'm headed out tomorrow to a wedding. And I'm just not going to show up with a face full of ingrown hairs because of that. I'm bowing out. This is garbage. This is the absolute worst I think I've had to use. So I'm done with that. What am I choosing? I am going. Oh, that's so much better. Oh, thank you. Look at the difference in just the speed I can get through the stubble. With one blade versus three. I am literally using parts and pieces I found here on the set because I didn't even have a nice double-edged razor. I'm using a beat-up 1930s Gillette New head that's not nice condition. It's got plating missing, and an old, I don't even know what this is. It's like it's some random non-Gillette handle. Someone tell me in the comments below what handle this is. I think it's off a Wade & Butcher razor or another razor. It's definitely better. I mean, it's picking up stubble this other one left behind. Oh, so much closer. So it's not just the razor. The razor made an enormous difference. The other part is the soap. And I'm just to prove that point, I'm grabbing a prototype of our new Razor Emporium pre-shave that I had on set just sitting over here from like weeks ago. And I'm not going to even use a brush. I'm not going to even, you know, like totally go fancy. I'm just going to put a quality soap right over this cream, whatever this dollar shave crap is. And I'm just going to show you how much of a difference a quality product makes. This soap we're now selling for $8, and it's not even a shave soap. It's a pre-shave, so it's supposed to help make your shave, you know, slicker and build the lather. But watch the difference. I can easily glide through this lather now. It's slick. It's not painful. I'm not having a tugging sensation. I wanted to do it, guys. I was like hyping myself up. That I was going to just kind of plow through it for you guys. But it was too much. I'm going to be in like family photos. And I'm not going to I'm the shaving guy, right? Everyone knows I'm the shaving guy in the family. I'm not going to roll up with like a face full of ingrown hairs and be like, hey, like over this. It's not even close. Having any double-edged razor and any decent, this is not even a shaving soap. This is a pre-shave soap. It outperformed whatever this is supposed to be. This is a shave cream, rich for extra cushion for sensitive skin. BS. This is not a good product. I'm sorry. It provided nothing. I was dragging through it. We changed the razor out. It did better, and then we actually put a decent slick, pre-shave underneath it or on top of it, and I had a passable shave. I still would. I'm beyond words, and it's hard for me. Usually I have lots to say, but I think this is a perfect way to cap off this is now the third or fourth video, I think third, of our grocery store, big box store experiment. Guys, get the Weishi, right? The Vanderhagen razor, get the bevel razor, get the King C Gillette razor, get any of those double edge. Do not get a cartridge, anything, because I don't care how many comfort strips, I don't care how many blades, I don't care what technology, I don't care what pivoting, rotating, flexing, form-fitting, conforting, I don't care. None of it is good. This is all crap. I'm done with it. I'm sorry, I'm just like, oh, I feel so much better. After a beat-up razor from the 1930s that no one's used or cleaned or sanitized, I literally found it in a drawer here at this video studio from something we did, and it just works. I put a super iridium blade in it, and it just works. It went through 3 days of stubble with absolutely no problem. Those cartridges were tugging and pulling the whole time. I'm hoping that this product is a reprise from my rant of badness just now. This is Everyman Jack. It says face lotion and post-shave with natural menthol. I like the packaging. I've heard of this Everyman Jack. I grabbed this because it was $6.99 as well. And I thought, well, it's a signature mint fragrance. It looks good, whatever. Let's try it out. I'm hoping they can't mess this up, right? So there we go. Looks like a nice balmy, lotiony post-shave experience, hopefully to help calm my cheeks down. I wasn't going to do my neck with that. That's ingrown hair city. Again, I have this mark. Let's see, where is it? Right here. That is an ingrown hair I yanked out yesterday from my cartridge stuff. I did another video you'll see probably soon after this one. with a Harry's versus Jeremy's cartridge razor shootout. And it gave me multiple ingrown hairs. So, sorry guys. There's only so much taking it for the team I can do. This feels great. I'm happy to report this smells nice. This feels nice. It's not overly greasy. It does feel very moisturizing. I'm rubbing it in just because it's hot and it feels great and it's nice and cooling. It's got some natural menthol, whatever that means. I think this is going to be a great way to finish off a shave. I'm happy to report that's a good product. If I was at a grocery store and I forgot my face lotion or I needed an aftershave balm, I'm happy to say I could pick that up and be happy. The rest, no. This was crap too. This was, of all the off the store shelf products that we picked up, this is probably the worst performing. So yeah, that's out of here too. I'm done with that. No. So, that all being said, if you have had a similar frustrating experience, or if you are considering changing from these cartridge systems over to double edge, come on in. The water's great. It's wonderful. If you hate the miserable experience of shaving and you're suffering, stop. You have my permission. You now know you're not alone. I can't make this up, guys. I'm not an actor. I am a guy. I'm a dude. And this whole business started because I had trouble shaving. And I figured out products that work. And I'm just so happy to know that a lot of them work for you guys too. So check out a decent quality soap. Our pre-shave is awesome. Other people's pre-shaves are awesome. I'd rather use anything than what I used just now. But I'm happy we finished off at least on a somewhat high note with the Everyman Jack. That's all I got. I'm fired up today. That just got me in rare form. So if you've had an experience with cartridges or some product that made you want to throw it, tell me below in the comments. What was it? Why did you throw it away in your bathroom? And if you do leave a comment, you are entered in to win this, the official Razor Emporium black and blue t-shirt. If you think that I'm a baby and I'm making this up and I'm acting because I'm shilling for double-edged razors, tell me below in the comments. Subscribe to our channel. We have tons of other content to help you guys shave better. And we'll see you next time at Razor Emporium for all things vintage shaving. Thanks, guys.